That's why. Really. Right. Copy and paste this. That. Right, let's see. Good morning, Elaine. How you doing? Welcome in, welcome back. How's your day been so far? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Masculine. That's a very, that's a very childish. Good morning, Wayne. How you doing, broski? Right, all CHF is just wicked above the 15-minute zone. It's starting to push back down now. So let's see if we can get some movement on the downside. We're live on TikTok as well. Yes, Wayne, I am live on TikTok today. Live today. Sorry, I just seen your message, bro. Glad I've worked today. Snow's bad here. Yeah, the roads are terrible here as well, to be fair. Morning, Simon. How you doing? All good. Back at work, and I'm not enjoying it. Now I know why I have to make trading work. What do you do, Elaine, if you don't mind me asking? Guys, I'm in my scruffs today. I'm in my comfies today. I do apologise. Like, I'm not here to impress anyone visually. All right, it's all up here. Okay. So I'm literally just winging it, comfy, chilling. Got my hoodie on, hat on. Can't be bothered to, you know. I'm an audit manager. Oh, okay, cool. Audits. I hate audits. I've worked in retail and doing audits. I don't know if it's audits for in like, is it like the retail sector you do them in? Like, I remember doing audits and I absolutely hated it. It took forever. I suppose as a manager it's not too bad because obviously you kind of, I presume you're just checking, maybe checking the last bits and then just controlling people and getting them to fix any errors and all that sort of stuff. So I totally get it. As I broke my chair, as you can tell, my chair's purple now. The wife, using the wife's chair. So hers is actually a lot more comfy. There's a lot more back support on hers, which is weird because they're supposed to be the same. Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you do drop a follow. I'll be honest, I wasn't going to go live today. I was like, I'm so like, because like I say, I'm in my comfies, I'm chilling. I wasn't going to go live, but this odd CHF zone is not doing what I want it to do. I was monitoring NZD CAD as well, but I was watching this and missed the NZD CAD one. There's an entry confirmation here, fuming, absolutely fuming. Zone here, look. What I was monitoring. And I didn't see it in time, and then it's already pushed down here, so it's too late to get in, unfortunately. So we could have had like a 5 pip stop loss on that as well, but it is what it is. Next one. Yeah. Do feel like it will push down again. Yes, Dave. I made it out for my walk and it started to snow on me. I came back with a wet head. You don't wear a beanie or anything? Or a hat? Or have your hood up? I went for a run yesterday and I got soaked by a car. A car drove, like the woman looked at me as well. She's wearing this Mercedes A-Class, remember it? Black Mercedes A-Class. Stared at me as she drove through the puddle and I got absolutely drenched. I was fuming. She could have quite easily just not run through the bottle. Not driven through the bottle, sorry. This might be to do, obviously this push I believe probably would have been to do with CHF had their CPI, right? But it was as predicted, so I don't really know what the big push is. I do like this zone, I like this setup. I do think it will come back down. Obviously we do have our buy here as well, so I expect price to push down here. But will we see a change of character? You know, price will do what it wants to do. Maybe it needs to sweep this liquidity in there before it's got enough volume to move down. That happens. But I do like it. It's a nice zone. It wasn't snowing when I went out, and collar of coat keeps my ears warm. Just not your head. Honestly, I haven't had. My wife bought me a nice coat for Christmas, and it's literally it's not a puffer jacket, but it's like it just feels warm. It's thick. I love it. I don't go anywhere without it anymore, especially with the weather, how the UK weather is at the moment. As you're new to the YouTube channel, new to the TikTok channel, make sure you drop a follow. If you're new to the YouTube channel as well, make sure you stick a thumbs up on the video and subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got 3 spaces available for a free 7-day pass within the community. All you've got to do is DM me your email address and you get one of those spots. To be honest, I think one of the spots is gone because I got a message on X, someone, so I believe one of those spots is gone, so it might be 2. I need to check it after the live. Anyone had any trades today? Yeah, bro, are you profitable? Yes. 25 out of 29 weeks. That's from recording though. Obviously I've been trading longer than that. Yes, I've had 7 so far. What, today? Still not trading yet. Want to master this? You've got this, Wayne. Just honestly focus on the education. I'm scalping GJ at the moment. Nice. Are you doing the 1 minute scalping or? What's your opinion on USDX? What do you mean USDX? You mean NDX, as in NAS 100? It's not finding the areas now. It's BOS I'm struggling with. Okay. Dollar bro. Well, DXY. Okay, yeah, DXY. Who knows me? But I think when Trump gets into office, obviously that will push up. When is he in office? February, right? But I think that'll push it up. There's an imbalance, a massive imbalance to the downside on the 4 hour on the DXY, so price may feel that and then touch in and continue there. So let's see. 20th of January. Okay, nice. Nice, Wayne. Morning, Ross. See, bro, don't worry about the numbers. They will come. Keep it up. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate that follow, Samson. I'm not worried about the numbers. Come on. Oh. My chair's definitely comfier than my missus. My missus' chair seems to tilt forward. I don't know whether, like, obviously these are the chairs I've had are gaming chairs. I don't know whether to get an actual office chair. Spreads make me grumpy. Spreads make everyone grumpy. I hate spreads. Spreads absolutely suck. GBP NZD slowly making its way down to our position. NZD CAD. Oh, we could have got in on this 15-minute here. Look. Let's see if it pushes up. Yeah. Maybe we'll get in if we see the extra confirmation again. Just missed the buy zone here. So it still is available, that buy zone, so let's see. Odd CHF spread on my prop account, awful. Yeah, honestly, it's horrible. Is trading worth it in the long run? Yes, but as long as you're prepared to take that long run, right? So depending on how many hours you can put in, I would give yourself at least 2 years to see profits. Obviously, if you depend on the strategy as well, right? Depends if you're in my community as well. I'm joking. I tried scalping NAS last night, ended up just break even, unfortunately, because obviously it was consolidating, so there wasn't real much to go off. But yeah, managed to break even. Just waiting for the sell zone above, right? Short zone. Can't say that. Wait for the zone above. Let's see. Got a good strategy on MT4 and I make good profits. Will I be as profitable on MT5? They're exactly the same, bro. Like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. They're slightly different prices, but your strategy, the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 won't affect your strategy. Unless, like, you might find that there'll be the slight differences in price. Should have got in that zone. I was waiting for 15-minute entry. This one, but it never came back far enough. Came back here. I needed it to come back here. Would have been a nice trade. UV order, we've got this limit order on. Wait for price to come back down. I think it will do. Order CAD. CHF, that they were looking at. NZD CHF. Wait for price to push up. And these are on me. We're in now. Let's see. let's see. My back, my butt hurts from running yesterday. My butt hurts, my legs hurt, my knees hurt, my back hurts. I'm so unfit. Honestly, it was so hard. Like, it's just ridiculously hard. It was fun though. Like, I was glad I did it. After I did it. I got through the door, and my daughter, I came upstairs, so that's something to do quick, and my daughter was like, "Daddy, are you okay? Are you okay, Daddy?" Because I came through the door. Kids are just something else, I swear to God. Sometimes I just look at my daughter, and she just like, she just makes me want to cry. Like, just looking at her, she makes me so happy, I just want to cry. But yeah, Mrs. wants another one, so the trading's got to go well, because the Mrs. wants to try for another one, try for one this year to have it next year. So, because my current daughter will obviously be in school or whatever by then. At least the challenge account is going well. This just doesn't seem to want to... Russ, like with you yesterday, obviously when you were saying about the trailing stop, if we were going for aiming for something like this, you might want to use a trailing stop just in case pricing doesn't make it. But if you wanted to put your final like TP down here, you could, and then you could have a trailing stop at a certain amount of pips, follow it down just in case it doesn't make it that far. I don't really use a trailing stop. I feel like a trailing stop loss is more for like swing traders. Nothing happening today, all down. Let's see what tomorrow's brings. That's it, Dean. The Dean. The Don. As if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you do drop a follow. We've got 2 positions available for a free 7-day pass within the community. Make sure you DM me your email address. No deposits, no contracts, no obligation. Like it, you stick with us. If you don't, no problemo. Wish you all the best. I've had multiple 0.1 runners bring in 50 or so recently, worth doing. Nice. That's a good idea, mate. Thank you. I had a runner for 4 days. I cashed today. Nice. Nice. To be fair, even with NAS, right? If you're Mammy with a follow, appreciate you, Mammy. Even with like things like NAS, you could have a 0.01 lot size on NAS, right? And let it run for couple of hundred pips. Depending on your account size, it's still like not a bad return. Obviously it's going to be nicer if it's bigger, but if you've got a smaller account, then it is what it is. Sada, good morning, how you doing? Welcome in. How are you this morning? I have to apologise. I'm in my scruffs today, team. I'm in my comfies. To be honest, I don't feel great. A bit of a rough throat. But other than that, I'm feeling right. I would like to see some sort of pullback on HF. To be honest, now we've got this, we'll probably potentially move our final TP here. Uh, 5655. So let's wait, see if we actually run into some bits first. 1 year joining Lee. Can't believe I only joined a year ago. Nice. Smashing it. Let's go. 25th. What are you going to do? You're going to celebrate? Do another holiday. Stend with the follow, appreciate you. Holiday celebrate. Yeah, let's go. Where would you go? Where's your next holiday destination? Has anyone got any holidays booked for this year? I actually haven't yet. To be honest, I think this year, I'm probably going to focus more on the house this year than holidays. Let's see, I really just want to... There's so much I want to do, and it's so expensive, so it's like a case of, you know, just taking its time. I'm looking at Malaysia or the Gili Islands for the next big one, but weather's better in Feb, so next year. Okay, nice. Boris, I need your DM me your email address, mate. And you get a 7-day free pass, Boris. Lane, yeah, I think everyone is. I don't think there's many brokers out there or many prop firms that have good spreads. Really, to be honest, there's some brokers with good spreads, but prop firms not so much. Nice, Ada. What cruise you going on? Is it P&O? Or what's the other one? There's so many. You know, yeah. I know my stuff. This guy used to be a cruiser. I need to be fair, I need to go to Malta potentially this year. I need to spend a weekend in Malta. Friends getting married in Croatia, so it should be a good time. Nice. What are you going to Dubrovnik? Like, I really want to go to Dubrovnik. That's one for the list. And that's only really because of the Game of Thrones. Like, I'm a massive Game of Thrones fan. We won't talk about the ending, but up until the ending, like, Game of Thrones is no hablo español. The English. Right, I'm a little bit of Spanish there. Bilingual. Man of many talents. You know what? I still need to work on my Italian as well, to be fair. I need your email address. 7-day pass. So DM me your email address. You get a 7-day pass. Gold sell or buy? Nah, I'm not looking at gold. I'm leaving gold alone for a bit. So volatile. I'm leaving it alone for a bit. Although, to be fair, one of the team caught a really nice trade. Khalid, didn't he? Got a trade on gold the other day from this zone here. which if he's holding the runner, that's running a good 300 pips almost, so he's absolutely smashed that. AM with the follow, appreciate you. Guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do drop a follow. Sifadine, appreciate that follow as well. If I butcher your name, I do apologise, I really do. Don't mean to. Now, I think there was another 15-minute zone up here, pretty much where this is. I didn't really like. So, it may now react off that, which is fine, because we had our stop loss in a decent place, so let's... In a long day. NZD, CHF, dollars. Oh. The NZD, CHF we've got on the, I've changed that colour. Be organised. Please don't sing. I can't sing. There's no music to sing to. If you go on YouTube, we're playing like elevator music. That's a little bit fun. Ross loves it. He works out to it. Ross in the gym, pumping iron to elevator music. Yeah, come on. Can we see a chat? Yes, on YouTube, Samuel. Link in bio. Oh, my back is killing. Getting old. AM, guys, there's one spot left. One spot available left for the free 7-day trial. AM, I'm about to send you your invite right now. Oh, Corey's just joined today now as well. Welcome in, Corey. Nada. Appreciate with me getting him set up 20 and then 149. He said hello boy, how you doing broski? Just sent you a DM, Rusky. I don't like holding runners over a Wednesday night because they charge extra commission on Wednesday. Hey. Honestly, there's so many like little things that they do that they don't tell you about, and like unless you dig deep or you notice them and all that sort of stuff. Like if you're busy and you're doing a lot of stuff, you might not notice these things. A nice boy. Let's go. Welcome in, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you can make sure you drop a follow, guys. If you're on the YouTube, make sure you stick a thumbs up on the video, please. Helps the algorithm, I believe. And all these little hearts and emoji things, I don't really, they do, they might help, they might not. There's quite a few though, quite a few for free. Get off. How do I stop? Go back. I don't wanna. Hey, I added a goat. Look at that. That's sick. Fire. I think we'll wait for the above, if I'm honest. There is like a small imbalance there. Value gap, whatever you want to say, to be filled there. So I think we'll leave it. If we get touched in, great. Or I get a reaction, great. If not, no, we miss it. It's not. Get close on this. We just need this to make some sort of movement to the downside. Guys, this channel is a little bit slow. It is the newer TikTok channel, so it will get busier, hopefully, as we grow. TikTok's just an absolute. I like TikTok. The traffic you get on TikTok is really good, but it's just understanding all their policies and stuff like that. It's really, really hard to do. They never give you like, it says community guidelines, but nobody ever really actually understands what that means. Oh, last night I had a story to tell you guys. So last night, right, my wife's like, can you unblock the sink finally? I'm like, the sink's not blocked. She's like, the sink is blocked, look. Right? And it's not. And she's talking about no, she said the kitchen sink was leaking, right? Looked under the kitchen sink, bone dry. Right? Yes, one pipe was a little bit loose. I ran the tap full blast, no water was coming out. No water was coming out of the pipes. It was all running smoothly. Now, the reason the pipe was loose on the elbow, right? The reason it was loose was because she was cleaning out the air fryer. She's got the air fryer thing, filled it up with water because she was cleaning it, and then lobbed it down the sink. So obviously the pressure from all the water, because it's too much. You're used to a tap, not like, I don't know, a bucket full of water chucked down the sink. It's the pressure has put that down. pressure to put that down is a massive, like, it's made it slip, so she's knackered it. Alex, do you know how to get a demo on CTrader? It keeps taking me back to the FP website. Yeah, just download CTrader. Download CTrader and open a demo account with them. Straight on there, not through Funding Pips. So yeah, so I had a look at that, and that was an absolute waste of time. There was nothing wrong with that. So then she's like, okay, but the bathroom sink needs looking at as well. Can you look at the bathroom sink? What's wrong with the bathroom sink? Do the tap. All right, it's fine. Yes, it fills up a little bit. Like, it doesn't all just go again. So I've unscrewed the plug, taken the plug out, and the reason that it's not flowing as well when the plug's in is because her hair is all mangled round the not that you guys want to know, it's a bit grim, but what I've done first is I've checked the pipes first. So instead of checking the plug first, I've checked the pipe first. I've taken the pipes apart to see where this blockage is in the pipe work. Nothing wrong with them, right? It stinks, it's horrible, because obviously it's like there's some stagnant water in there or whatever. It just stinks, right? So I've taken the pipes apart. Then I can't get the pipes back on because seals moved out of place. I have to put the seal in the right place and blah, 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 blah. So it's taken me like half an hour, 40 minutes, which with pipe work, like plumbers, I don't know where Dave is, but plumbers get paid absolute bags for doing not a lot. Like, that is one job I feel like plumbers have got like the easy job. Apart from dealing with the smells and the dirt, I feel like plumbers have got it easy. In my opinion, coming from a trained engineer that's like been in thick, like, grease and all that sort of stuff, I feel like plumbers have got it easy. In my personal opinion. Literally, it's just plug stuff together and screw it on. Like, it's not that hard. What does a plumber actually do? And I can remember when we had a gas engineer come around, right? And they fitted a new boiler. And I, obviously, like, this was a while ago, so I was young, a bit naive maybe. We paid this guy, what, 50 quid to drain, JK, I want to be your student. DM me your email address, JK. To drain the radiators, right? All it was, obviously I didn't really know, because back then I wasn't like a DIY guy. This little key, obviously I know now, this little key, you just drain the air out. Takes about 2 seconds. Paid about 50 quid from British Gas to do that. Absolute fuming. I was like, why? Like, really? I was like, mate, I could have done that myself. He's like, yeah, you could have. But on actual CTrader, not on your CTrader. Like, download CTrader itself. Don't open. Are you on PC? Is he going to be trading on PC or on his phone? No, you, JK. Sorry, JK. I'm talking to someone on. Bro, don't put it on. You have to DM me on TikTok. Delete that message. Don't put that on TikTok. Luckily, there's only 3 other people in here. Delete that email address off the messages, you crazy ass. DM me the email address. Don't plaster your email on social media. Bro, give us a signal. We're already in a trade. Well, that fix to the radiator was probably the first thing to try to fix your issue. It might have involved more that hadn't worked. Well, we ended up just paying for a new boiler. We got a new boiler. It's on YouTube. Link in bio. JK, DM me, broski. To be fair, I didn't even think about that. Like, it's the same when we called. It was really cold. It wasn't last year, the year before, maybe even the year before that, to be fair. had a gas engineer come out, right, and the boiler had stopped working, but obviously it was freezing. It was freezing cold. But on the outside, it had iced over, right? So that's why it wasn't working. So literally, I was like, okay, I can't wait. This gas engineer taking ages. We couldn't have the heating on. There's no hot water, nothing like that. Obviously, you got you got a wife or whatever. You need to sort it out. So I literally just poured warm water over it. Poured warm water over it, and everything was fine. Because obviously, it then heated it up and it melted all the ice off and blah 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 blah. But these are all things like, I don't know. I feel like parents should tell you. Like someone should tell you, or even the gas engineer, just be like, look, it's cold. I've had this call out 20 times today. Try putting warm water on this. Save me a job. Blah blah blah. I have a double tap up to 300 plus. No, what are you talking about? Double tap on what? Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you do drop a follow. Right, JK, I got you, broski. This music makes me want to fall asleep. There's a 7-day free trial within the community. Get all my limit orders literally immediately. I've got a feeling this isn't going to pull back now. I feel like it's going to just continue going up. Look. Oh no, not yet. Phone I didn't really like. Boss, you don't have bad in this world. Thank you. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do drop a follow. I'm waiting for you to send me the DM, Inno. Are you in any trades? Yes, we're in a Ord CHF short at the moment. My drain pipe from boiler goes to a gutter and my boiler stops working when that gutter freezes. Yeah, it's a pain in the backside, honestly. Both. Ah. Computers are great when they work, but when they don't. Good morning, Craig. How you doing? How's your morning been so far, Craig? I have a group that believe with me. They're in my YouTube channel and they're in my school community. Links in the bio, you know. No problemo. Appreciate them likes, guys. How have you been, Craig? Waiting for the push down on this. GitX, it depends on how much time you get to put in, right? It depends on what your personal circumstances are. We're looking at Ord CHF at the moment, waiting for a drop. Busy lately, sadly. I haven't been around much, hoping to get more involved from next week. Nice. We do well, yeah, not too bad. My first run of the year last week. First run of the year yesterday, and my butt hurts, my legs hurt, my knees hurt, my back hurts. But you know, I'm feeling good. I've got paddle tomorrow as well. No, I haven't. Paddle Thursday. I think I'm going to run tomorrow, paddle Thursday, see how I feel, and then I might do another run on Saturday. I started last year, January, and I'm improving really good. Nice. Yeah, so obviously only you know. Like, like, if you've started last year in January, that means you've been trading for a year. So are you profitable? Only you can answer that question. I can't answer that question for you. I use simple market structure and price action. Nothing overcomplicated at all. Keeping it simple is to keep it profitable. Market structure and price action, mate. Find demand zones. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do drop a follow. We've got one spot left available for a free 7-day trial within the community. Right, finally reacted to this zone now. Hopefully we'll get the push down that we're waiting for. We will probably be looking at moving our... Potentially moving our limit order. Our take profit here. Or at least trimming some here. If we get that push down. Because with this breaker structure to the upside now, I don't know if it will push down to this zone, which obviously is our other limit order on our challenge account as well, right? So let's see what price does. Plus, we may end up nice zone here as well, so we may end up filling this gap long term. Or price may now up. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. Obviously a nice drop now. As if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you do drop a follow. Kidder with the likes. I see you, Kidder. Appreciate you, bro. I use funding pips. I'm also building the live account as well. I don't tell people about my anything like that, JM, just because you end up getting spammed with stupid messages. Years. It doesn't take years. But it probably does for your first one. It does, obviously. If you know the first one, I don't want to sound stupid, like, but for the first one, it does take years. You need to learn strategy. You need to get comfortable with your strategy. You need to understand the market, the way the market moves, etc., etc. And it's not always going to move the way that you think it's going to move anyway. And that's already one problem there, right? You say strategies. Really, you just want to stick to one, right? You want one strategy, you want one trading plan, you want your trading journal, and that's all you need. The problem with using so many different, if you use different strategies, they can end up conflicting with each other, right? Yeah, but I'm not at college or anything, so I can use multiple. Look, if you see success with it, then go for it. Obviously, it's each to their own. As long as you're profitable, then that's the main thing. Everyone sees success differently. Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you drop a follow. Spam them likes. Ross, you managed to sort it. On YouTube, MNC. Let's go. NZDCHF's getting closer as well. The thing that's concerning me is we've got this to push up on NZDCHF. Concerns me about this continuing to push up as well. Let's see. Hopefully we'll be okay. Let's see. So obviously, guys, you know I've been doing the because funded pips do like an instant funded account now, right? For those that don't know, and I've been testing it out and trying it to see how difficult the actual you know, the actual rules and stuff are. So I'm almost at 3.5%. I'd like to get to the 4% to get my money back off the account. Yeah, up 3.41% at the moment. 7 profitable days. That's ticked. Consistency score is ticked, but they say 15%. It's at 32% at the moment, but it's ticked. So I'm a bit like, I don't really understand that. And then obviously max risk is fine, max trading loss is fine, and daily loss is fine. So all that is good. Well, I don't mind you asking, but I don't share that information with people just because then you get people spam you with all sorts of shit, right? So yeah, I don't do that. So yeah, I'd like to get up at least another half a percent to get the withdrawal, to get my money back on that account. Obviously, like I say, I only tested the 5k one on that one because I didn't want to waste my money just in case it was a money grab, which really is a bit of a money grab. Like the rules are very, very tight on that. There is a video on my YouTube channel actually regarding it. Is a bit of a money grab, but if you could, like, it's not unachievable. Right, so like even if you say like I say, I'm 3.41% up, right? If I can get myself to 4% and get the withdrawal, now that's on a 5k, right? So the 1% is on a 5k account. Now I've got this puzzle thing on TikTok. If you do if you did it on a higher, do you trade gold sometimes? Yes. If you do if you did it on a, I don't know, let's say you did it on a 200k account or 100k account, get 1-2%. It's not bad, right? No, I haven't, mate. To be honest, it just keeps trying to make me pay. What are you doing wrong? I'll have a look after this, but you should literally just be able to do it in his name. Go on CTrader, log out of CTrader. You don't want to be on CTrader on your funding pips, all right? You don't want to be going on funding pips and because you're probably on your, are you on your funding pips dashboard, right? Does it say CT app funding pips in the top left hand corner? Then you're trying to open a new account or something. You don't want to be doing it that way. You want to actually go on to, you have to actually download CTrader off of the website or off the internet or whatever. Dude, I tried Trump. Getting agitated. Why's my camera got blurry? I get too close to the screen, sorry. What are you doing it on? I've literally loaded up CTrader, right? Where am I? I've loaded up CTrader. I go to the top right corner. I downloaded the same app as I have on his phone. Made him an account in his name. When I open the app, it says open demo and then kicks me to the dashboard. It might be different because you I don't know if it's different because you're doing it on a phone, maybe. But you should literally just be able to go on the CTrader app. I haven't downloaded. Obviously, I have downloaded CTrader on my phone. Because you don't use the funding pips app, you use the CTrader app. It's easier on a computer. Has he got a computer? PC or a laptop? Or have you got a PC or a laptop in front of you? Even my demo account's in profit. Like I don't like even my demo account doesn't like starting to drop nice. Even I don't even want to let my demo account fall out of profit. I think I did a video the other week and the price started going down and I made sure I closed it in profit because I didn't want to lose money on my demo account. Even though it's not money, right, on demo account. I mean, they're all demo accounts. Every account we trade is a demo account, unless you're trading your live through a broker. Oh, okay. Should have got in from the higher 15-minute zone. Would have already been running in profits, but it is what it is. I think we will come back down to this, at least this other 4-hour zone here, right? We might change our TP2 on it. We can get the TP one, at least the TP one, that would be nice. Blend Bros with the likes. Appreciate you, Blend Bros. Let's go. Blend Bros, you're from my gaming channel as well, right? Like, we've known each other for... I don't even know who you are, really. But, like, we've followed each other for ages. I swear. Yeah, man. Legend. As a new channel, make sure you do drop a follow. I saw it after this. I am baffled. Mate, I'll talk you through it. I will literally talk you through it after the live. I will jump off soon, to be fair. It's almost 12. I'll grab some food. Guys, like I say, we've got one spot available left for a 7-day free trial within the community. Make sure you drop a follow. DM me your email address if you want access. What was I going to do? What are we, Tuesday, 3 o'clock, there is high impact news. The USD. Right, not heavy. Anyone after this betrayal? Ah, okay, cool. Fair play, fair play. Slashy, appreciate you sharing the live, Slashy. Oh, about the same time then, really. I might be a bit longer. I am baffled. Right, I'm going to end the TikTok. We'll stay on the YouTube for a little bit longer, so feel free to jump over to the YouTube channel if you want to join us on YouTube. I'm going to end the TikTok for now. Appreciate you guys, appreciate the support, you're absolute legends, and I will see you tomorrow. I got it. I've ended my live on TikTok to try and help you out, and now you've got it. You're kidding me. It's okay, I'm joking. Fine, I was going to end it anyway. Yeah, so you go to the 3 lines in the top left, right? Open trading account, demo. Open. I've changed the balance, or it doesn't really matter. You can change the balance, and then open demo account. Because I downloaded on a Pip C Trader and not normal, I guess. Well, I did tell you that. I said make sure you download C Trader. Guys, you were there when I said that, right? I said that. Someone not listening. I did, it's fun in Pip C Trader. As if it's gone into that zone as well. I didn't like that zone, but we should have gone with that zone. Hopefully we get the push down now, guys. I think we're gonna have to be patient. I love going live and connecting with people, right? But I hate, like, I don't hate it, but creating content, like shorts and stuff like that, really, like, it doesn't do it for me. Because you, obviously you connect with people and they follow you and then they'll see you when you go live, but I prefer just talking to people live. I should have entered there as well, to be fair. At least she's dropping. NZD CHF is close as well, 13 pips away. Everything else is quite far away at the moment. Wayne, what are you getting confused with the, you say the break of structure, what are you getting confused with? Because with the break of structure, it's literally just when price breaks the high or low. Here, mate, so finding it. It's literally like the break of structure is when price just breaks above the higher high or higher high or below the lower low, right? So obviously we've got higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? This price here has broken above this higher high, creating a new higher high, which is then what your break of structure is. That's your break of structure because it's pushed above. I know this, but when implementing, I find it hard. Okay, cool. It's just obviously finding supply and demand zone can spot really fast now. Nice. But it's honestly, it's better to do on the 4-hour time frames. But you just have to be careful. Like you have to, like they say, build the story of what price is doing. Really, at the moment, like with NAS, this is just consolidating at the moment. All right, because you've got your essentially your higher high, change your character here, then we've got a lower low, lower high, and then it just sits here. So these are actually equal lows right now because we've got no clear break of which way price is going to go. Obviously, this is still a nice zone. It could potentially be like I say, it's consolidating. So we're not on overall. We're on an uptrend. Price is pushing up. If price took this, then it would confirm that we're on a downtrend, right? But it hasn't. All right, we've kind of basically, like I say, got equal lows. It hasn't quite taken it, or hasn't quite touched it, but they're basically equal lows or double bottom, yeah, whatever you want to call it. And then price has pushed up. So, you know, we can wait for this zone, see if we get a reaction from this zone. Obviously, you've got this zone here, you've got the imbalance here. So again, this could be a zone, but it doesn't necessarily mean that price is gonna hold, which is why we have to manage risk, etc. Like you've got your break of structure to the downside here from this candle, right? Then we've also got this zone. Is there one above to the left? No. I think this is the one that you're thinking of, maybe. Oh, right. Beat you to it. Yeah. Okay, because then you've got your break structure to the downside here as well, right? But then you can also look at it. Okay, well we had a break structure to the upside here. We had this zone, which we might have traded a little bit, to be fair. Okay, price has held that. Okay, yeah, it's come all the way down, but price has held that because this is our strong low now. because this candle took this took this high. So that's why that was strong, and then boom. Okay, now this really we want to wait for an entry confirmation on this. We haven't got a limit order on this, have we? At it now. We have 21799. What is it? It's a 20 pip stop loss though, right? Yeah. So to be honest, we'll leave the limit order because I think this will give the reaction. But again, it's not as high probability, right? It'd be a higher probability zone. This would be the higher probability zone because this would be the strong high. All right, so this is a higher probability zone. We'll look for this. We will take this trade and see what happens. But because we've got the break here, it might then take this and then push down. We've got a zone here as well. Like I say, we're ranging a bit. So ideally, we'd like to see price push up here, then down to here, essentially up to here or higher, or down. Like obviously, it's going to go wherever it wants to. But we can only do what we see. We'll work off what we see. But the higher probability area will be this one. So guys, on this limit order, make sure you manage your risk as you should be doing anyway. Because price could go here and then push down, right? Or it could go here. We just have to use the best analysis. With NAS, like it's respecting zones really like quite well at the moment, to be fair. So let's see. Oh. Getting warm now. I'm starving. I might make some lunch. But that is literally, you know, all you've really got to understand is market structure. And once you understand market structure, then you'll understand the entry confirmations. And then once you get the entry confirmations and the market structure and all that down properly, you will be flying. Ross is doing really well at the moment. Khalid's doing really well at the moment. And there's probably others doing really well. Like, I'm not just shouting those out. Obviously, they're the only ones I see doing well because they're the only ones that are posting stuff. I'm sure there might be others that are doing really well as well. So, like, and it's all just using the same knowledge. It's simple stuff. Like I say, with the I haven't been doing great on my like this week with our normal accounts. But with the live account, we've been doing really well. Obviously, like I said, with the challenge account, we've been doing the challenge account, which we haven't missed a trade on yet. Touch wood, we haven't missed one trade on. We've taken 6 trades, I think, and they've all been 100%, and they've all hit our targets. And we've made the withdrawals, so it shows the strategy works. Obviously, we get in more trades, we do the limit orders and stuff, because you know we have to be active in the markets. If we want to make money, we have to take risks in the market, and that's all it is. Right? You have to take risks within the market, otherwise you're not gonna make money. We could just wait. We could be really patient, and we could just wait for all the higher probability trades, like with the challenge account. We could do that. There are other setups there, which is what I share. And the same, but with the scalping thing, it shows the scalping thing also works, because obviously, like with the instant live account, all I've been doing really has been scalping NAS on that account. I'm up almost 4% on that. So again, it's just showing like it works. You've just got to be able to do it. And put the time in to get the knowledge in. Get the screen time in as well. You need to be able to get screen time in. But the more you look at the charts, like honestly, soon you'll be able to just whiz through, mate. Like you'll understand what's higher probability, what's not high probability, what's low probability. when you need to look for an entry confirmation. I mean, ideally, you want to look for an entry confirmation all the time. Are you going to miss some trades? Yeah, you might miss some trades, but your win rate will go up. Right? If you all sat at home, you're a Raiders fan. Sorry, I've just seen that. No, I tell you what, with the hat, what I did is I went in, we've got this shop in our city centre, right? It's called Lids, obviously. And I'm not really an American sports fan, right? I'm not. Obviously, I know Michael Jordan, and I've watched the thing. Like, I followed Michael Jordan for years. Like, I love Michael Jordan. I think him as what he's achieved and him as a person, I think he's awesome. But like at the moment, I don't follow NFL, hockey, or basketball or anything like that. But I went into the shop and I said, he said, "Oh, do you need any help?" I was like, "To be honest, mate, no, I'm just looking." And I was looking around. I was looking around for ages, and I think they were just like. I think they just obviously because I was there for so long. He was like, "Well, what are you looking for? Do you like I don't know? Do you like flat caps? Do you like bent caps? Do you like bent peaks? Do you like And I said, to be honest, I like black and I like a flat cap. What do you recommend? And then he said, any particular sport? I said, no, I don't really care about the sport, to be honest. He's like, well, pick up the Raiders hat at the front. That's one of the most popular ones. Get that one. So I got that one. Probably one of the most easiest customers he's ever had. Yeah, narrow it down. Like honestly, just get it down. Get the strategy down, mate, and you'll be flying. Rid of this. Should have taken that zone as well, really, shouldn't we? Right, guys, I'm going to... Shall we have a quick look? See how this is just rangy at the moment. So you've got your equal highs here, right? So ideally, before really getting in anything, you want price to decide which way it's going to go. Obviously, this is just daily time frame as an example, but you want price to decide which way is it going to go. Is it gonna go on a downtrend? Is it going to break this, right? If yes, great. Right, wait for it to break this. Wait for it to give a pullback and continue on the downtrend, right? If not, is it going to go on? Is it going to go on an uptrend? Like we've got this zone here on the daily. It probably might touch into this daily here. Alex, why are you on gold? Because I'm doing a little bit of education. An education thing. Don't you worry. We're not trading. Or is it going to pull back, take out all these buyers? Is it going to pull back, take out all these buyers? Okay, and then push up. All right, and then break this structure to the high. Give the break structure upwards. If it does, great. But again, so for something like that, you'd obviously want to narrow the zone down because it's on the daily. But narrow the zone down, wait for an entry confirmation, and get in. And you could hold that for a while, or it might come up to this daily, right? You might come up to this daily and decide, you know what, actually, no, I don't want to go up. Maybe it will then come back down. Who knows? My phone is telling me to step on the scales. I'm not going to. Wayne, try silver, I swear it's so much better. What is silver? X. I can't remember what silver is. XAG, that's it. I need a wee. mean, to be fair, he's not wrong. Like, even just looking at that market structure, right? It's got nicer market structure. When you see respecting like zones like this. All right, you probably could narrowed that down. Respecting zone here. All right, wicking in, coming back down. So it's showing nice, already showing nice market structure, right? I would like to see that react and now push down and break this. This looks like a news candle, that. The daily and then 4 hour. Right, pin that 4 hour. Look at that. Literally touched it, dropped. That would have been banging, that. And again, you've got your break of structure here, right? All right, your daily zone, your 4 hour zone, so your zone within a zone. We've easily got a 1-to-1. So the candle closed here, so you would have got a 1-to-1 for that. I got an 80% win rate on it. Nice. Maybe we'll look at it, to be fair. Share them, Ross. Share your silver trades. Tag me. You know, guys, when you share setups, can you tag me in your setups? Because I really would like to. I would like to look at them. I don't like, even if you share one, it goes wrong. It doesn't matter. Like, imagine how many I share that I get wrong. Like, it's up to other people if they decide they want to follow. I know you have, yeah, you have. Fair. It's because, to be honest, I think I was not on it because I had a bad experience ages ago, like when I just didn't really know what I was doing. So I've never gone back to it since. But yeah, I think that potentially this might. It's a daily zone, so it might hold and push down. I would like to see it come to this zone here at least. But let's see what price does. Maybe we'll start looking at silver. I don't want people to copy me and lose. Mate, people copy me and lose. Like, and like nobody, you're not forced. Like, no one's forced to place the trade that you share, right? But it is what it is. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I just need to nip to the restroom. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Digestion, I think I'm hungry. But then we'll probably look at this one as well. Okay, let's see. I wouldn't really want to get in this now because the zone's mitigated. Nice. It's in the 15 minutes. Right, so we're on the 15-minute. All right, we've got this break structure here. Ideally, that has a God, it's freezing. Turn my bloody heating up. The difference between price on this broker and on funding pips are way out. So, what broker do you use for silver on your trading view, Ross? This is way out. The traded price is at 30. Oh no, that is right. I swear that said 27 a second ago. That is right, don't worry. Awanda. This is capital. This is actually 32.5. This is pretty close as well, to be fair. Spread's quite big. Spread's really big, actually. Like a 2.5 pip spread. It's a bit of a mad one. Frank spread. Pop knows me too well. Corey's loving it. Nice. Frank spread. Actually, the spread, the more I look at it, is awful. It is terrible. It's horrible. Like, obviously, if you get a big move, then you're not going to be, you don't have to worry too much. I didn't realise how bad or THF was until today. Yeah, I don't like... To be fair, that's only, like, what, one pit? The 1.2? It goes to 1 to, like, 1.2. Yeah, it's not ideal. I think all CHF is retesting the 15-minute. We will get the push down now, or it will take us out. It does, like, it's weird because it goes like it's 1, then it's 1.2, and then it's 2, like the spread. Like, it's so annoying. Just brokers, isn't it? Prop firms, sorry, and brokers. Most odd pairs are gone from list now. Never had any enjoyment with them. Oh, really? We hit a TP the other day. Was it yesterday, day before? I don't trade them massively. But that's like JPY pairs for me. Like, I hate JPY pairs. It's all personal preference, right? Using VT at all? No. I don't like. They might be good. I don't really know. Gone through more bloody nice pop. That's what it should be. Just here for the chat. My legs, like my inner thighs, my ass, everything's just killing. I have to remember I've turned the oven on and see your beautiful face. Well, thanks. That was my phone. We're done. Yeah, I need to remember I've left the oven on. Make some food. Like from Tesco's, there's these. I don't like to look like I don't really buy pre-made stuff very often, but these they're little metal foil tub things, and they've got like cubes of potato and chicken and a bit of cheese and stuff on top. They're absolutely banging. It's got a little bit of bacon in it and stuff as well. Like, it's not very healthy, but man, it is so nice. And the sauce, oh, so good. So good. Oh, old CHF's just hit stop loss. I'm leaving that zone alone now. Yeah, it's flying up. How big a stop loss do you guys put on silver normally? I've not had the best start to the year this year. It's really annoying. Tell you what, though, if we do hit the 100k this year, I would be absolutely buzzing. I've only taken one trade on it at first. Because the stop loss have to be reasonably wide with the spread. I put in an example. That is 3 pips. What, 24 to 27? Okay. 128 when you're 7.9, so let's say 4 pips. That's 4 pips. So every 2 pips is like 10 pips on gold, if that makes sense. Every 2 pips is like 10 pips on gold. That's mad. Like you wouldn't need massive moves. Obviously, you have to be very careful with your risk. I might get in this one just to see. Very, 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 very low. I'm not going to record it if I do. If it gets into this zone and reacts, I'm going to take the trade. Ends make minimum 5. What do you mean? I was far behind the stream, lol. Mate, if this isn't my fault for you. No, honestly, like this zone is already mitigated. To be honest, I'm just messing about a little bit. Messing about. Like I'm going very, very low lot. Like it's swept this, which is nice. Alright, it's pushed down. Taken this. Left a nice zone here. Let's see. Like it held this quite well as well, like this zone. It's held that nicely. So if it touches in this, again, this is nice market structure, right? So we're just going off of market structure and price action. So boom, 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 boom. Right, and then it might then do the same or drop or whatever. Like it might not even come back. Ross, don't feel guilty. Mate. These are my own actions, right? You're not responsible for anything I'm doing right now. It's okay. I just want to see how well and if it works and how well it works. Like it's swept all this liquidity, right? All that. It's taken that as liquidity to then potentially give a push down. I use M3 because I'm a noob, lol. Too much manipulation for me on the M1. I love the M1. See what it says on the 3. And to be fair, on the 3 you may have got in already. And be running in profits. That's not too bad. I would like to see it come back and get in at a better price though. If it comes back, it might not come back. No, there isn't anything that. No, there is literally nothing new. Like it's all personal preference. It's all personal preference. Like one person's not better than another person because of the time frame they use. You know what I mean? Like I say, it literally all depends. Some people use 1, some people use 3, people use 5, some people use 15, right? I think it's yeah. Harvey in the community, he uses the 15-minute time frame, right? So it's all personal preference. I managed to finish. I watched the Godfather 1 last night, just while I wait for this. Watched the Godfather 1 last night. It was good. I'm on to the second one. Didn't really like. They're 3 hours long though. So long. My father-in-law, because obviously he's Italian, he was like, "Oh, you watched it?" And he was like, "Which bit did you get up to?" And blah blah blah. He was so excited that I was watching it. I didn't realise that it was Adrian from the Rocky film was actually Ito's daughter as well. But no way, as if she's in this. Put the oven on, and now we've seen this, and I just like, oh, I might run and put my food in as well. I don't want to miss it. Anyone get proper clicky with a pen? Also got like a miniature screwdriver on my desk too. I give the pull back on. come on. Knee bounce, clicky pen, twiddle thumbs, the lot. Brilliant. Oh. Right, I'm going to jump off team. I might leave this one. I'm going to jump off team and I'm going to get some food, and then I will see you guys in the tomorrow. I'll see you guys later on.